Let me ask you something most people never think about. When you get paid, who's the first person you pay? Your landlord? Your phone company? Your student loans? The grocery store? If your answer is anyone but you, congratulations. You're working for everyone else but yourself. That's not an opinion. That's a trap, and it's the reason why most people stay broke their entire lives, even if they earn a decent income. But there's one principle hidden in a 100-year-old book that can flip the script on your entire financial future. It's called Pay Yourself First. It's simple, it's powerful, and it works. So let me break it down for you. Because once you get this, you'll never look at money the same way again. The ancient rule from the richest man in Babylon. Let's rewind a few thousand years to ancient Babylon, one of the richest civilizations in human history. No banks, no apps, no spreadsheets, just real people trying to figure out how to build wealth. And guess who was the wealthiest man in Babylon? Not the king, not a general, not a priest. A regular guy, a scribe turned moneylender named Akkad. He wasn't born rich. He started with nothing. But he became so wealthy that even kings came to him for advice. And when asked how he got so rich, Akkad gave one simple rule. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. Most people heard that and thought, duh, of course it's mine. I earned it. But they missed the point. Because most people, even today, don't actually keep any of what they earn. They spend 100% or more. And saving becomes this someday idea that never actually happens. Akkad said, pay yourself first, before you do anything, and set aside money for you. So what does pay yourself first actually mean? It's not just about saving money. It's about prioritizing your future over your current cravings. Here's what it means in real life. The second your paycheck hits your account, you take 10% off the top and you save it. Before rent, before bills, before food, before anything. You take that 10% and you say, this is mine. This is for my future. I worked for this and I'm keeping it. And if you can't do 10%, start with 5%. Start with 1%. But you start. Because if you don't start now, when will you? Why most people struggle financially, no matter how much they earn. Let's destroy one myth right now. I'll start saving when I make more. Spoiler alert. If you can't save when you make $3,000 a month, you won't magically save when you make $10,000 a month. Because saving isn't about income. It's about habit. It's about mindset. You can't build wealth if you're spending everything you earn, no matter how much that is. Wealth isn't what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Shift from consumer to owner. Paying yourself first turns you from a consumer into an investor. Instead of thinking, what can I buy with this money? You start asking, how can this money buy me freedom? That 10% becomes your emergency fund, your investment seed money, your down payment, your financial safety net, your escape plan. And every dollar you keep, it's like hiring a tiny employee to work for you 24/7 while you sleep. Let your money hustle. So one day you don't have to. What happens when you do this consistently? Let's do some quick math. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. 10% of that is $300. In 1 year, you've saved $3,600. In 5 years, $18,000. Now imagine you invest that $300 a month, even at a conservative 7% return. After 10 years, you're not just saving money. You've built a $50,000 plus wealth engine without changing your job, without winning the lottery. It's boring, it's unsexy, but it works Building discipline. Making money, here's what no one tells you. Making money is easy. Keeping it? That's hard. Lottery winners go broke. Celebrities file for bankruptcy. Millionaires lose everything. But the person who saves 10% of every paycheck for 20 years, that person is set for life. Why? Because they built the one muscle that matters, discipline. And that's what pay yourself first really teaches you. It's not about money. It's about control. 6. Simple steps to start today. Open a second bank account. Make it hard to access. Automate a 10% transfer every time you get paid. Pretend that money is gone. Off limits, untouchable. Slowly increase to 15%, then 20% over time. Learn to invest it wisely. Don't just let it sit. Let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. And here's the best part. Once it's automated, you don't even feel it anymore. Your lifestyle adapts, your savings grow, and your stress drops. Real-world example, the barista versus the broker. Let's say we have two people. Anna, a barista, making $20,500 a month. Ben, a finance bro, making $12,000 a month. Anna saves 10%. He owes $250 a month. Ben spends every dollar. Fast forward of years. Anna has $15,000 saved. Ben, zero. Now Anna invests it. It grows. Ben stays stuck in golden handcuffs, high income, no freedom. Who's winning? The person who paid themselves first, every time. Closing. Thought. You come first. Most of us are taught to pay bills, pay taxes, pay everyone else. And if there's anything left, maybe save it. But there's never anything left. Because life always finds a way to take that extra dollar. So flip the script. Pay yourself first. Make it non-negotiable. Protect your future like your life depends on it. Because it kind of does. If this video gave you a mindset shift, smash that like button, hit subscribe and comment, I come first, if you're ready to start building wealth, one paycheck at a time.